All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to master the world of online English teaching. There are so many options out there, but we're going to cut through all that noise and get you right into your first digital classroom.
So you did it. You've got that shiny TEFL certificate, you're fired up, and you are ready to teach. But then you go online and it's just chaos, right? A million different sites, all promising the world. You're probably thinking, okay, now what? It's totally overwhelming.
And that's exactly what we're going to fix today. We're taking that huge, confusing world of options and we're going to turn it into a super clear, easy-to-follow path. Seriously, by the time we're done here, you'll have a map and a compass to find the perfect platform for you. So let's think of this as the start of a really cool journey. We're not just scanning a boring list of websites. Nope, we are charting a course for your brand new career.
But before we even look at the destinations, every single good traveler needs a compass, and that's what we're building first. This is going to be your personal tool for making smart choices. It's how you'll look at any opportunity and know if it's right for you.
And here it is. This is your compass. These 5 things are absolutely crucial. First up, the obvious one, pay rate. What's the base pay, and can you earn bonuses? Next, flexibility. How much freedom do you need? Are you cool with a minimum number of hours, or do you need to be able to set your own schedule completely? Then, who do you want to teach? The vibe for teaching kids is, well, it's a lot different than teaching business professionals. Fourth, requirements. Let's be real about your qualifications, degree, experience, all that stuff. And finally, tech and support. Trust me, a clunky website or zero help when you need it, that's a total deal breaker. Keep these 5 points locked in as we go. Okay, compass in hand? Good. Now it's time to explore some of the destinations. We've picked out 3 totally different platforms to give you a real sense of what's out there.
First on our tour is Global Teach. I want you to think of this as the perfect launchpad if you're just starting out. It is literally designed to give new teachers the structure and support they need to really build up their confidence. So let's break this down. The pay, $14 to $18 an hour, is pretty solid for an entry-level gig. That 10-hour minimum might seem restrictive, but honestly, it's great for getting into a rhythm when you're new. Requirements are super standard, TEFL and a bachelor's. But here's the real kicker for new teachers, the support. We're talking lesson plans that are already made for you, 24/7 tech help, you're never left hanging. It's a fantastic, structured way to start.
All right, next up, FlexiLingo. And you guessed it from the name, this place is all about one thing, flexibility. If being your own boss and setting your own hours is your #1 priority, you need to pay close attention. And check this out, no minimum hours, 0. That is a complete game changer if you're trying to fit teaching around another job or, just life. The pay ceiling is higher, too, up to $22 an hour. But, and this is the important part, notice they want at least a year of experience. So what's the trade-off? FlexiLingo ditches the hand-holding of Global Teach for better pay and total freedom, but it expects you to know what you're doing right from day one. And for our third stop, we've got Tutor Pro. This one's for all of you who just know that teaching kids isn't your thing. Tutor Pro has carved out a really smart niche for itself, connecting teachers with professional adult learners. Now, the pay range here is the widest we've seen, all the way up to $25 an hour. That higher end is usually for teachers with a specialized background, like in business or law. The students are motivated professionals, which can be so rewarding to teach. And like FlexiLingo, the booking is flexible. This just goes to show you, picking a niche that matches your own skills can really, really pay off.
Okay, so you've used your compass, you've maybe picked a destination, but finding the right platform, that's only half the battle. Now we got to talk about how to actually stand out from the crowd and crush it once you get there.
These 4 steps are your golden ticket. Step 1, get a professional headshot. I'm serious, no selfies from your car. This is your first impression. Step 2, make a killer 1-minute intro video. Smile, show your personality, be energetic. Step 3, tell them your niche. Are you a grammar guru, an exam prep expert? Shout it from the rooftops. And finally, when you write your bio, write it to your ideal student. Talk about their goals, not just your own. I just love this quote because it is so true. In this online world, your profile page is everything. It's your interview, your first impression, and your handshake all rolled into one. It has to be strong, confident, and welcoming. Don't ever underestimate its power.
So what's the big takeaway here? It's simple, but it's so important. Choosing the right platform is just the starting line. It's not the finish line. Your actual success is going to be built on the energy you bring to class, the quality of your teaching, and how much effort you put into that profile.
So there you have it. We've given you the compass and we've shown you the map.
You have all the tools you need to navigate this exciting world with total confidence. So the only question left is, where are you going to go first?